Hey Phoebe, I just prepared this little kind of video edit just to show off a couple effects that I was working with on a clip of your video. So the first thing I'm just going to show is the clip that I was using for all these effects, so I'll just play this as it was in the video. So here it goes.
No one else knows how to write the magic of the crashing stars of love, and you're bleeding, and all the shy lights and the cracks and all the walls are.
First video is just randomized frames of everything we just saw. It's also kind of, I think it's doubled in time. Actually, it's close to tripled. So that was randomized. This next one is kind of, the video is broken into chunks. They're about half-second chunks from the whole video, but then each chunk is randomized. And actually, all these effects are played kind of in double time, so these are actually 1 second chunks, but I just played it back double because it was be too long to play that full clip each time. Okay, this next part is about 1.5 second chunks from the whole video, just played back in a random order. So it's the same effect we just saw, just longer chunks. Okay, now this next one is going to be normal order of chunks, but each chunk is played in reverse. They're about 1 second chunks. And now the next one is going to be the exact same effect. So little chunks, each chunk played back in reverse, but only about 6 frames per chunk. And then let's see, this next one is going to be a normal order of chunks, but each chunk, the frames are randomized. So whereas the last one, the frames were played in reverse for each chunk, in this chunk, each frame is randomized. And I think these are like 5 frame or 6 frame chunks. So mostly it's pretty much just playing in order with that slight kind of shakiness. And then this next one is longer chunks that are randomized, so each chunk is like 1.5 seconds here. And again, each chunk is randomized frames. And then the last effect that's going to play is, so it's a random order and each chunk is randomized. So it's just these kind of random chunks, randomized chunks, if that makes any sense. So it's like breaking the video up into 1 second pieces and then randomizing each of those pieces and then playing back all the pieces in random order. Okay, so I look forward to talking with you about this kind of, and maybe we can work on something, but I just wanted to make this kind of example video. Okay, bye-bye.